Is your right-click not working on your Windows PC or laptop? Don't worry. Here are some quick and easy fixes you can try. Step 1. Update mouse drivers. First, let's make sure your mouse drivers are up to date. Press the Windows plus X keys together and select Device Manager. Now, find and expand mice and other pointing devices. Double-click on your mouse device, then click on Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and follow the instructions. Once it's done, restart your computer and check if the issue is fixed. Step 2. Restart Windows Explorer. If the problem is still there, try restarting Windows Explorer. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Scroll down until you find Windows Explorer. Click on it. Then hit the Restart button at the top or bottom corner. This will refresh your system interface and might fix the right-click issue. That's it. Try these quick fixes and get your right-click working again in no time. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.